Hi, my name is Zakkery. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm gonna walk you through step-by-step instruction. What would I do if I had to start from scratch in digital marketing in 2025? That's a challenging question actually, because I've started my way in 2018 and I've been doing that by now for 9 years already. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. And I went through so many transformations of social media industry and online industry and digital marketing. So every year brings something new to the marketing. Marketing is such a high competency niche where you have to stay on the edge of all technologies, of all updates. And once you just fail to update your knowledge, once you do not keep going with all those new things, you immediately lose the revenue that you could generate with the help of your sales funnels. That's why the key point in digital marketing, keep learning. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because every time I bring something new on the table, every time we discuss a topic here, you can benefit from the comments, and I strongly encourage you, let's create a good community here and share valuable advices and share your opinion. Don't be afraid to share what you think. Okay, let's stick to the point. If I had to start from scratch in digital marketing, what would I do in 2025? The number one step, which I would admit, is to choose the niche where I will do my business in digital marketing. Every time I see online courses on the topic digital marketing, or we teach digital marketers, or how to become a digital marketer, every time I freak out. What specifically are you gonna teach me? What exact skill? Digital marketing is about everything. It's very similar to if I say, I will teach you to sell in the internet. To sell what? And to sell in the internet, like where exactly? Social media. You will tell me how to promote my brand using SEO, or like how exactly. So the niche of a digital marketing has a one big specific, that it is a very variety of niche. So there are so many small niches which you need to choose. I've chosen the niche of online courses and coaching programs. So I help to acquire customers, and I do marketing and do sales specifically in these niches. So I never ever agreed to work as a digital marketer or to do advisory for any projects that is over the niche of educational trainings and online courses. So why? Because I want to be the best in the niche which I've chosen. I don't want to be just an ordinary digital marketer. I want to know everything what I do at a really precise details. I want to stay updated. I want to know every new thing that appears on the market. This is the only way it is possible, is if I choose one niche. There are several niches that you might consider if you start in 2025. Niche number one, that's the niche which I'm a professional at. This is the niche of online courses, how to do marketing for online courses and training programs. The other niche is specifically paid ads. I would choose Facebook ads or Google ads, or you can choose the both, but do not start it from the very beginning, both of these topics. Like, it's a huge thing which you need to cover first, step by step. Once you start with the Facebook ads, and then next year you stick to Google ads as well and make a brilliant add-on to your expertise. Every time I see courses which we will teach you how to do Facebook ads and Google ads and TikTok and LinkedIn. Whoa. Stop there, okay? Don't approach me with this shitty course. Why? Because you can't dive deep into details of each platform within one course. So no, don't choose that. So you need to go through really deep layers of the niche. Let's say you've chosen a Facebook ads. You figure it out completely. There are so many tricks and hacks. You can generate a huge revenue just having that one skill, and that will be enough. In my team, we have 8 Facebook ads experts that are doing Facebook ads for our clients who are online educators. 50% of those Facebook ads specialists, they do not know how to do ads on Google. Like, why? Because they are top professionals at what they are doing at Facebook ads. So every time I hire new staff and I see that the person claiming to be a professional at I'm good at Facebook ads, I'm good at Google ads, I can launch campaigns on LinkedIn, I will never hire that person. Only if he's like very, very famous guy and he has proved for several times that he's really a genius in that. Okay, I hope that message is clear. The other niche which I might advise you if you are doing your way in digital marketing, if you're doing the first steps in 2025, this is definitely the niche of social media. Like if you want to become a professional social media manager, if you want to grow your expertise in the niche of Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, you can go from there. So 3 key points of digital marketing: social media, paid ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, you choose, or the niche of online courses. This is my choice. The next one, after I've chosen which niche I would like to consider for the next year as a digital marketer, I would start researching the market. I would find a role model, an expert or a company which I would like to become at least closer to. Maybe not the same because everyone has its own way, but I would like to find my role model. I would like to do a research on that company. Let's say if I still do what I do, if I still promote online courses, I need to find a role model company for me, which will inspire me every day, which I will learn the whole history, how they established the company, what moves they did in the past. Once you choose the role company or the role person, just go on LinkedIn and message them. You can easily approach those people using just a basic LinkedIn subscription and then ask for consultation. You probably will have to message to hundreds of companies all over the world and you will receive maybe just 2 answers, yes, but that will be enough. So buy consultation, buy experience. Do not stop, okay? So step number 2, find the role model. Step number 3, buy expertise. Somehow you need to save your time on figuring out everything yourself. The best way for me is enroll into the course or find a mentorship or buy consultation, buy somebody's time or experience, which will guide me. I will give you a brief example. Last month, we landed a contract with a big influencer. They have more than 3 million followers on social media, and we face the situation that we do not know how to promote this brand on a specific social media platform. We've never made sales on Snapchat. We do not have those experts in my team. So instead of figuring out myself, instead of going to ChatGPT and Googling all that stuff, I just hired a person for a mentorship, and he is mentoring me on how to do the sales on that platform. That's it. I'm buying his time, he's contributing to my business and saving my time. This is how it should work. Okay, the step number 4, what I would consider if I had to start from scratch in 2025 in digital marketing, I would definitely describe an exact persona of my desired customer. Right now, after so many years of experience, I clearly understand that I have a choice all the time. I have choice with whom I'm willing to work. In spite of the fact that you might have a limited experience, you are just starting, but still you have the choice. Whom do you want to work with? What is your desired customer? Whom do you want to reach out to? So figure it out for yourself, write it down, describe that in a precise details for you to understand it better in the future. The next step, which you definitely need to do if you are starting from scratch in digital marketing this year, you need to start developing your brand. And when I say so, I mean just a simple posting on social media. I already mentioned that in my previous videos that you just need to do that consistently, and the consistency can be different depending on your life restrictions. For example, I have limited time in my life because I work a lot. So how many times per week I can post? Sometimes 0, sometimes 3. But how to choose the right consistency rhythm? For me, it would be 4 posts a month. For you, it can be 3 posts a week or 3 posts a day. Just choose your consistency pace and start posting on social media that is the most relatable to your niche. Let's take a look on those social media platforms that we currently have. We have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have LinkedIn. Don't forget about that platform as well. This is a really valuable thing. And YouTube as well. If to take a look at these 4 platforms, I would recommend you to go with a YouTube and LinkedIn. LinkedIn is way easier to develop and to attract first clients if you just reach them by messaging people. If you post on your LinkedIn page, that you do not need to create a fancy videos. If you're not a professional in shooting the content, it will be way easier for you just with the help of AI tools. You can GPT texts and then just upload them on LinkedIn to support the live actions on your LinkedIn page. And then you can reach out to people and build your network. And this will help you to build your first customer base. And then as well as on YouTube, why I prefer this platform more than Instagram? Because on Instagram, you post the content which stop performing in a week and start performing in 24 hours. If we talk about the stories, like I clearly do not get that idea that you waste your time on creating those difficult stories and they stop performing in 24 hours. They just disappear. Like, come on, I wasted my time on that thing and you just deleted them in 24 hours. No. So that's why I'm more a supporter of a YouTube where your content can catch up in a period of time. And then the other thing which I really strongly encourage you to develop, it's a LinkedIn page. The last thing which I would consider as a beginner in digital marketing in 2025 is definitely to sign up and actively participate in all networking events. What I've noticed, marketing is very much about relationship. So if you know people from different companies, if you know people who work in this specific niche which you want to be involved with, so it's way easier for you to find the first clients. You can be the first to find out all updates of the different platforms and different life hacks and new tools and some new approaches in marketing. So find your camp of marketing people, communities, or you just can go on a meetup.com and find some networkings that dedicated to marketing. Doesn't matter which niche exactly, just go everywhere and then you will choose the specific events which you prefer the most. You will definitely face that 90% of those events would be an absolutely waste of your time, but the 10% will build your destiny, will build your future career, connections, and customer requests. So these are the steps which I would consider if I had to start from scratch in 2025. Let me know in comments, what are you currently doing in digital marketing? Are you a beginner or you just thinking about mastering the skills of digital marketing? What is your current position in this niche? That's it for today and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.